Hi everyone, I'm out here in the snow again today with the DJI Mavic 3. We're going to be taking a look at its slow motion capabilities. It can shoot in 4K at 120 frames per second, and we're going to be filming people snowshoeing through the forest here. Actually, the snow is kind of melting, so there's not a lot of snow left, but it'll be cool anyway. And later on, we're going to take a look at a waterfall in slow motion. That'll be very cool. So stay tuned for that. So now I'm down here at the waterfall, and this is the perfect scenario for filming in slow motion with a drone. It's going to be a little bit tricky flying with the trees, but I think the results will be worth it. So yeah, the DJI Mavic 3 captures absolutely excellent 4K slow motion video. It's one of many fantastic features of this drone, many of which I've covered here on my channel. I'm actually filming this video using the DJI Action 2 with the DJI mic attached. You can see that I'm wearing it right here, and both of those will be the subject of multiple videos yet to come. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.